What's up, y'all? It's Penny Divine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm about to be retwisting my hair. I'm gonna be locksmithing today. So I usually don't do that. I just do whatever, and I never intentionally locksmith, whether I have before. It's never been intentional. Let's just get right into it.
This is not a tutorial.
I'm about to take my bonnet off, and these are my locks. I don't think I've really shown my locks in a minute, but okay, so this is my Made for Locks Embrace Your Frizz brush. Okay, I'm about to wash my hair anyway, but like if I could brush any lint out, because
your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us.
making sure that the thing isn't coming out of my hair. Length check. Hold on. What you talking about? What are we talking about? What are we talking about? Yeah. So like, yeah. So like, yeah.
Take some time just to get thankful that I had days full of you before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now. Don't you love when I come around? Fill you up, then I take you down. Don't you love when I come around? Build you up, then I take.
Okay, that's my wash. Now I'm about to take a real shower. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm officially out the shower. I have washed my hair. Ooh, is this my hair or loose hair? Yeah. But yeah, I've officially washed my hair. I'm like hoping that there's no like buildup from the conditioner. Honestly, whatever with the spots, with the dandruff, I guess, but let's get into the length, okay? Like my tattoo is kind of like how I know like how long my hair's been growing. But yeah, so my hair's still damp, and yeah, so really quick, I do just want to like separate them. That's what I was trying to do in the shower. So I'm gonna just do that really quick again. Okay, so this specific one, I have come to the conclusion, like, baby, oh my god, like, y'all, I don't want this to be one lock. I don't. No. So I might have to cut this, I'm not gonna lie. This belongs, it looks like it goes with this one. It does. Oh my god, I got it. Yeah, it belonged. I knew it. Woo! So one. Let's just do a lot count. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. No, this needs to be separated. Ah. Ooh, should it though? Can that survive on its own? Hold on, we might have to pause this count. Okay, I separated it. 26, 27. Y'all, I literally lost track already. So, according to my count with no rubber bands, but I think I have. What y'all think? What do you think? But yeah, okay, so I just separated, so let me not do too much. My sister put me onto this oil, and I promise you, ever since, I have not switched. I ran out of this, and I cannot get this in this city. I can't get this in San Francisco. I literally have to go across the bridge to get it, or I have to buy it from Amazon. So I got this from Amazon. This is it's from Pantene. It's the Gold Series Hydrating Oil, the intense version. And once you rub it in your hands, oh my gosh, like y'all, it's so smooth. Like when I tell you, oh my god, when I tell you, it melts into your hands. Like it melts into your hands, your hair, like my fingers are just gliding right through my hair. Like it feels so good. Oh my god. Okay, boo, enough with the fire pole. I don't care what type of hair texture you have, baby. You need to get on that. It just feels so good. I can't stop. I literally can't. Like, this is how good it feels, y'all. I'm not playing. Like, it feels so good. I could just do this all day. Oh my gosh, and it's almost like warm. Ooh, I just want to be my hair. I wish I was my hair right now.
shit about the mud, still grinding like I'm trying to get my weight up. When it gave too many chances to you niggas, I can't let nobody play us. Yeah, I got in my bag when I looked up, ain't seen them but a bunch of haters. No matter how much money we went through, we never let the paper change us. I done ran it up out the mud. I get paid to pop out the clubs. Put my partner in my budget. I watch people change, can't trust them. I got rich, but I'm still hustling. I run full speed of that cash. I can feel the shit in my calf muscles reminiscing back when I ain't have none. Now they acting like they all happy for me. What was you at when I needed? When it come to money, I'm greedy. I take anything just to please you. You can take everything if you leave it. Ain't tryna say it perfect, but I'm decent. I ain't going back broke for no reason. Might drip and might leave a puddle. If I need to clean it up, I'ma quick to pick her up, but for real, just put it on the floor. That other shit I'm not for. I've been clearing up my headspace. When the shit I'm starting to pop my wrist out for the leg space. Hey, got this shit up out the mud, still grinding like I'm trying to get my weight up. When it gave too many chances to you niggas, I can't let nobody play us. Yeah, I got in my bag when I looked up, ain't seen nothing but a bunch of haters. No matter how much money we went through.
Okay, so I'm done. I finished at 8:10. Remember, I started at 1:30, so it took about like 6 hours, I would say, just because like little breaks and stuff. So yeah, this gonna have to get cut. But yeah, I just cut my edges. Oops. I honestly think it turned out cute. I cannot wait to see the finished results tomorrow, because I think I am gonna like wrap my hair up though, because I just don't want like any lint to get in it or anything. So thank you so much for tapping in with me. Honestly, my outro is probably gonna be when I come back and my hair is out, so disregard.
Everything I need between those lines. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside,